Hi again everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to do a product review, or a toy review really, of this volcano making kit. It's made by Kids Labs and it's for ages 8 and up, but I'm going to supervise my 6-year-old today and we're going to build it. So we're going to show you what it takes to put this thing together and give you a quick review on how cool it is. Are you ready, Maddie?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's do it. It's about the size of a hardback book. It comes with powder, a bunch of plastic pieces, directions, and more powder, baking soda, and I bet we need vinegar. We'll put this together and follow the directions. Are you excited? I am. Also has paint, that's interesting. Okay, it says you gotta have adult supervision to do this. The directions are pretty simple. First thing we're gonna do is put these 4 pieces of the volcano together and hold them together with a rubber band. So they just snap together. Sort of.
Sort of.
Sort of, right?
Really, Dad.
Okay. Comes with a couple rubber bands. It's got little notches on the side for the rubber band to go. That's kind of good. Pretty cool, huh, Manny? That's one. Whoops, whoops, whoops. That's a 6-year-old making fun of her dad. What's wrong with you? Okay, so what's wrong there? Let's see what else. Okay, we've got the 4 pieces rubber band together. Now you have 2 more pieces, which are the eruption chamber. There's one side of this that is open. You take this little collar, put it on there. Face down, this is what you're going to pour your baking soda and vinegar in to erupt. But we're going to pour that in there and then put this on top of there. Now the next steps are going to be to cut open these 2 bags of plaster, mix them with water, and then dump them in here to make basically a plaster of Paris volcano that we'll go ahead and do. Okay, as I said, the next step is to build the plaster of Paris, or the bags of plaster here. Open these up, pour them into a mixing bowl, and it says to mix 280 milliliters of water with it. Well, this must be a European kit, but luckily my cup measurer here shows milliliters on the side. So it turns out 280 milliliters is about 1 1/4 cups. So we'll pour that in there once we open both those, and I'll have my helper here go ahead and stir it up for me. You ready to help again?
Yeah.
Okay, let's cut these open. Okay. If you could pour that in there for me, sweetheart.
Okay.
Very good.
It looks
Let's
like
do it.
milk. Looks like a milk with sugar in it.
Sure does. Let's stir that up. I'll get a spoon.
How we use this little stick?
Okay, the directions say pour the paste into the mold. That's the mold we made, but first we need to mix this until it's a smooth paste. Okay, start mixing, Maddie. Get your hair out of the way. Okay. Okay, let Dad help a little bit. Good job. Let Dad get it all. Watch out. There's some dry stuff here.
It looks disgusting.
Sure does. Kind of cool, disgusting, huh?
It looks like a froggy breakfast.
A froggy breakfast.
Froggy frog. It kind of looks like.
Shh. Lily's sleeping.
Frog breath.
Okay, I'm starting to pour the plaster into the mold. But when I first started to pour the mold in, I hit that little cylinder in the middle and knocked it off the base. So I had to get messy and clean it up real quick. So be careful when you pour the plaster. So be more careful this time. There we go. Just gonna smooth the top now. Now we wait half an hour. All right, we poured this in about 2 hours ago. You're only supposed to wait about 30 minutes ago, but I wanted to make sure it was nice and hard. It feels very hard. What I'm going to do is take these rubber bands off. Hold that, Maddie.
Yep.
Okay, let's pull the side pieces off. Why don't you pull one of those pieces off? The plastic. Cool. Okay, we'll flip it over. Let me show the cameras to show everybody in the internet world. Okay, couple crack spots where it seeped through the cracks. You can just rub those off with your fingers. Okay, watch out, Maddie. I want to zoom in, all right? Take your fingers off for a second, honey. Focus. Okay, this is your eruption chamber.
Hey, Daddy. Don't want to break it, Dad.
Okay, and there it is. Now the next step is to use the paints that they gave us. And Maddie, you're going to paint it to look like a cool volcano. You can use blue, yellow, green, black, or white. We're going to save the red for the edge. Okay? You up to that? All right, roll up your sleeves.
Oh, that's Daddy. Yellow?
Red and yellow makes orange.
I think it makes blue. Top's kind of orange. This is the orange.
Oh, looks cool, Maddie.
The orange is supposed to be.
Do a good job. Okay, it's Saturday morning, and I've got Maddie and I've got Lily ready to try out their cool volcano.
Yeah!
Shh. Maddie painted it, and it dried for a whole week, so now we're getting ready to load it up. We have some just vinegar, otherwise known as acetic acid. We used a little food coloring to make the lava look red and real. So I'm going to load some baking soda into the chamber, and then my assistant Maddie is going to dump it in. Okay, I need you to hold the camera still. Point it at there. Got it? Or just hold it right there. Add some of this baking soda.
Just like so.
Just like so. Okay, you ready, Lily?
Yeah!
Here we go. My assistant Maddie is going to back up. Pour that in. Fast. All of it. Whoa! Look at that! Wow! Eruption!
Can we do this again sometime?
Was that cool?
Yeah!
Was that cool?
I want to do it
Was that cool?
Yeah! I want to do it
Okay.
again.
Well, we'll do it again. This was just to show the world what it looks like. Good job. The first one was so fun. We're going to do it again. All right, scientist. Go ahead. Wow! Wow!
It's just like the Big Island.
Hi, cousin.
I wouldn't touch it. It's vinegar. It's like pickled eggs.
Pickle it.
Okay, good job, girls.